We've got a break for about 4 hours of the rain. It's a full shelter so you can stay dry. We've got the tripod. I'm getting ready to put some water on that so that way we can be able to make coffee, hot cocoa for me. Just going across the street. I'm at work, but look at the sky. That's not good. So I've got pretty much everything and we're pulling out with the trailer, guys. The journey begins. Alrighty, so we're at the gas station, which is pretty much the only place I could get some lighting. So got the four-wheeler back there. We're gonna be bringing the Roxor up later and filling up, so we're ready to go. Alright, here we go. We're on our trip. This is the rain. Here, let me turn my wipers off. You can see all of this rain. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I also hope you'll watch at least half of it, but hopefully the whole thing. Subscribe to the channel, like this video by clicking the thumbs up below, and share it with a friend who you know would enjoy this video. Alrighty, so I got the truck and I got the spot, although it's hard to see. Big F-250, Power Stroke, King Ranch, $82,000 truck. Alrighty, we're up. We got the camp pretty much set for the night. Generator's going. I got my chicken ranch with veggies. It's on the open fire. So we've got our chicken ranch with vegetables. Oh, that's so good. You don't know how good it tastes when you're out here. I've got the auxiliary teepee tent set up. The truck with the tent on. And I have an awning system. It's really hard to see during the night, but I at least wanted to get some filming in tonight. Oh, what? Having a generator and a heater is not overlanding? I thought it was just about the experience. And right now it's 70 degrees in my tent, so I'm having a great experience. Morning, morning, morning. Good morning. So this is the camp in the day, which it was hard to see at night. So last night it felt a little weird trying to show you everything, but it's hard to put in perception until day. So here is our camp. As you can see, we've got a break for about 4 hours of the rain. It's a full shelter. That's the front door. Took some black plastic and combined the tarp with some zip tie. This is coming in. What makes this heater amazing is not only is it an energy smart, but it's also a cool touch. So the only thing on this, not even that, is this like metal grate, this part right here. That's the only thing that's hot. Another cool feature is if this tips over, it automatically shuts off. I checked it out just to make sure, and it worked. wait for them, and once they get here, I can guide them to where we're at.
The mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a way.
Alrighty, so one thing I like to do is take out the Grizzly and go scouting ahead and just see what the trails are before I take the Tacoma. On our way back, and decided to get out and look over here, and as you can see, I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. Already back at camp. Got a nice hearty fire going tonight. Gonna feed this before I go to bed. Well, I've had a good meal, a good day of riding. Actually, I've had a really good weekend. The trails are real gnarly, and the weather is unforgiving, especially when it's always raining. So there's a look at the camp before we go to bed. Are you happy you came, or would you rather be watching YouTube?
Watching YouTube.
You're killing me. Alrighty, so it's the Sunday, and gonna go ahead and head out